Welcome to the Sexual Harassment Prevention Training for employees of Russell Sage College. This training follows the New York State Sexual Harassment Model Policy, ensuring that all workplaces remain free from harassment, discrimination, and retaliation. Employers in New York State must comply with this policy as a legal requirement. It provides a structured approach to identifying, preventing, and addressing workplace sexual harassment. Purpose and goals of the policy. Russell Sage College is committed to maintaining a workplace free from harassment and discrimination. Sexual harassment is a form of workplace discrimination that can subject an employee to inferior conditions of employment due to gender, gender identity, or gender expression, perceived or actual. Sexual orientation. Sexual harassment is often reviewed as gender-based discrimination, but it can also be influenced by other identities, including race, disability, or immigration status, which may shape an individual's experience. Past experiences as a supervisor of domestic violence, which may affect how certain behaviors are perceived. This policy ensures that all employees at Russell Sage College can recognize, prevent, and address sexual harassment and discrimination in the workplace. The goals of the policy. This policy establishes the following principles: a workplace free from harassment and discrimination, clear definitions of sexual harassment, an accessible process for reporting harassment, protection against retaliation, a structured approach to investigating complaints, legal protections for employees. Sexual harassment and discrimination are illegal under New York State law. Employees may file a complaint internally with Russell Sage College or externally with government agencies.
What is sexual harassment? Sexual harassment is a form of gender-based discrimination that is lawful under the federal, state, and local law. It includes any unwelcome conduct that is directed at someone because of gender, sexual orientation, or gender identity of a sexual nature. Creates a hostile or offensive work environment. Intent does not matter, only the impact of behavior on the recipient.
Two main types of sexual harassment. Quid pro quo offers when a person in authority tries to do trading, promotions, or benefits for sexual favors. Behaviors that contribute to a hostile work environment include, but not only limited to, words, signs, jokes, pranks, intimidation, or physical violence which are of sexual nature.
Please take a moment to answer the following questions to assist your understanding of the sexual harassment training.
What is quid pro quo? C. Quid pro quo includes a person in authority who tries to trade promotions or benefits for sexual favors.
Who can be affected? Who can be harassed? Employees, interns, contractors, temporary workers, or visitors. Gig workers and anyone providing services to Russell Sage College. Who can harass? Supervisors, co-workers, customers, or anyone in the workplace. Where can it happen? At work, remotely, via emails, text, or social media. Anyone covered under this policy is protected from sexual harassment and discrimination in the workplace.
Key points about the policy applies to employees, interns, contractors, and vendors. Behavior doesn't have to be extreme to be against the policy. Reporting harassment is safe and protected from retaliation. Clear definition of sexual harassment, a structured approach to investigating complaints.
Examples of sexual harassment: physical acts of sexual nature, unwanted touching, patting, hugging, pinching, grabbing, sexual assault, molestation, or attempted rape, unwanted sexual comments or demands or propositions, pressured for dates, romantic attention, or sexual favors. Verbal: sexual jokes, comments, yelling, name-calling, or bullying someone based on gender. Nonverbal: sending inappropriate pictures or invading personal space or gestures.
Please take a moment to answer the following questions to assess your knowledge and understanding of the sexual harassment training. Where can sexual harassment occur? D. All of the above.
Reporting sexual harassment. How to report: speak to a supervisor, HR, or designated person, use a complaint form or email. Internal reporting: file complaints with the New York State Division of Human Rights, or the EEOC, with the New York State Division of Human Rights, DHR, within 3 years of the last incident, with the Equality Employment Opportunity Commission's EEOC within 300 days of the incident.
Your rights and protections. You cannot be punished for reporting harassment. Legal protections are available through state and federal laws. Resources include hotlines and complaint websites. An individual should contact the county, city, or town in which they live to find out if such a law exists. New York State of Human Rights, dhr.ny.gov/complaint. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, www.eeoc.gov.
Employees may file a complaint with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission within B. 300 days of the incident.
Preventing harassment. Bystander intervention: respecting boundaries, speak up, or create a safe environment. Delegating to a manager or HR, and documenting the incident or checking in with the victim afterwards. For supervisors, act on the complaint and foster discrimination-free workplace. Supervisors and managers must report harassment complaints immediately. Prevent retaliation against employees who report harassment. Ensure a respectful work environment. Assist in investigations when required.
In conclusion, the policy outlined above is aimed at providing employees at Russell Sage College and covered individuals an understanding of their right to a discrimination and harassment-free workplace. All employees should feel safe at work. Though the focus of this policy is on sexual harassment and gender discrimination, the New York State human rights law protects against discrimination in several protected classes, including sex, sexual orientation, gender identity or expression, age,
race, creed, color, national origin, military status, disability, predisposing genetic characteristics, familial status, marital status, criminal history, or domestic violence survivor status. The prevention policies outlined above should be considered applicable to all protected classes. Sexual harassment is unacceptable and lawful. Everyone plays a role in maintaining a safe workplace. Reporting sexual harassment helps keep the workplace safe for everyone. Questions? Contact HR or refer to our policy resources.